Hi babies, if you're seeing this, that means Ramadan is here, so Ramadan Mubarak. I know how hard it is without food. I'm trying to help you and give you some top tips on how to survive revising in Ramadan. I usually stay up after iftar up until sahri because I don't go to sleep, so I just stay up until sahri. So it's better for me to just work up until then. So you can have as much food as you want, as much biryani, as much samosas and pakoras and all that oily food. I know some of you go to sleep. So if you were to do it in the daytime, what you should do is at sahri make sure you have good food and lots of fluids, because if you're working throughout the day, you need to have the best foods possible to help you and give you that energy. If you don't want to do it alone, it's better working in teams, because if you work as a group, everyone's just so funny and live that time will just pass so quickly. A 5-6 hours worth of boring assignment you would have done at home in 2 hours, all you do is laugh, joke around, and then it's iftar time and maybe you can go for a cheeky Nando's with your mates. Take a lot of rest because you have to balance everything. So take a rest, wake up 1-2 o'clock, do an hour of work, and then take a big break, or maybe half an hour of work, take a big break. You know, you can read some Quran too. I'm such a hypocrite. I'll be there watching my movies yeah, you can read Quran. But just read Quran, balance it out, read some duas, pray. I get so confused a lot of the time, so make a timetable, say I'm gonna wake up at 1-2 o'clock and put my alarm on, half an hour work, and then put in my prayers time, and then put in some Quran time, because I know it's a lot to juggle. But honestly, make a timetable, because I need to make one too. Again, hypocrite. I need to go home and make a timetable, because my work right now is all over the place. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've got 10,000 words in for a week time. Good luck to me, guys. I hope these tips were okay for you, and I hope some of them work. But I hope you have an amazing Ramadan, guys, and I hope you get first classes for all your exams. I hope you're well, my baby. Have a nice fast. Bye.